morning students, myself Jyoti Johan, your science teacher. We are going to perform experiment number 1, that is based on reflection of light, in which we will study how light is reflected from glass prism. This is the glass prism, and this one is the drawing pins. We are going to perform this experiment. Now let us talk about this experiment. That I have written. The aim of experiment is to trace the path of light passing through the rectangular glass lamp for different angles of incidence. Then we will measure the angle of incidence and angle of reflection. Angle of reflection and angle of emergent. Basically, we will study the theory of this practical, in which we take the glass slab. We know that glass slab is a denser medium than the air. Whenever light passes through a rare medium to denser medium, that means the light ray incident on the rare medium from the glass slab, that is denser medium, that will get away, you get towards the normal. Here normal is m and m prime is the normal and pq is the incident line, and angle between the pq and m and m prime is the angle of incidence, and qr is the reflected ray that is in the denser medium. Here the qr is the reflected ray, and the angle between reflected ray and m prime normal is known as angle of refraction, that is r, denoted by angle r. Angle I is the angle of incidence. Next, the ray passing through denser medium to rare medium. We know that whenever the ray passes through denser medium to rare medium, it will go away from the normal. That is the emergent ray. One thing is you don't know about the emergent ray. Emergent ray is that ray that that comes from the denser medium to rare medium, is known as the emergent ray, and the angle between the normal and the emergent ray is known as angle of emergent. We know that Snell's choice, sine of angle of incidence upon sine of angle of reflection is equal to constant. That constant is known as refractive index of the medium. So here we will find the angle of incidence and angle of reflection and angle of emergent. In this particular practical, we find out that angle of incidence is equal to angle of emergent. If the angle of incidence equal to angle of emergent, then our practical is applicable. If angle of incidence is not equal to angle of emergent, then you have not performed the practical accurately. Now we will perform the practical. For performing the practical, we need the drawing boards, glass slab, and the drawing pins. So basically, firstly we will draw this glass slab with the help of pencil. Then we take two pins, two drawing pins, and randomly we will put them in a straight line. So these two pins are placed in a straight line. Here these two pins act as a angle incident rays. Now we will find out the emergent ray. How rays are refracted from rare medium to denser, then denser to rare. Firstly, when we perform this experiment, we should notice that when we place these pins should be in a single straight line. Will you put the pins in a straight line like this? Now you can mark these points with a circle with the help of pencil, or you can circle these points. Now let us take a scale, mark these points. You will draw a line. Similarly, you will draw a line at there also. Now start. Start. This one is the incident ray. Now we will mark the normal. You can take the normal with the help of protractor. Now we will just mark the normal with the help of scale. We just draw a tangent line in both these ways. So the angle between these two lines, that is incident line, in the figure we have written that PQ is the incident ray, M and M prime are the normal. So here the angle between M and M prime and PQ is the angle of incidence, and here the angle between QR and MM prime is the angle of reflection, and here RP is the emergent ray, and the angle between the emergent ray and the normal is known as angle of emergent. With the help of protector, we will find the angle of incidence and angle of emergent. Suppose here we had find out the angle of incidence is 16 degree, then the angle of emergent is also near about 16 degree, maybe 15 degree. So our principle is applicable in that. Okay. Now we can also find out the angle of reflection. If we find out the angle of reflection, so we can write it on blackboard. Here the angle of incidence is 16 degree and angle of emergence is 15.8 something degree. Yeah, you can write on 16 degree. So we have proved 16 degree is equal to 16 degree. So we have proved experimentally laws of reflection, or we have proved experimentally the reflection process, how rays are incident on the denser medium, or how these rays are refracted from rare to denser medium, or denser to rare medium. This is basically the reflection phenomena. Thank you.